Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and we've got a special episode for you today because we've got 3 products that are all made in the USA. These are my personal tools, and I love them. I use them every day, and I know you'll love them too. So let's check them out. Here is the Empire E2G 24-inch box beam level, and I think it's for everybody. We all need a good level, and this one is an awesome one. As you can see, it's been through the ringer with me, it's fallen off my roof, bounces around in my truck, it still reads level and plumb, and it's still super straight. I trust it every time I bring it out. Has some really great features too. It's got these impact-resistant ends in case you do drop it, and you can remove those so you can put it right up to any surface you need level. Now it's got 3 vials, one for reading plumb, one for reading level, and then one for reading a 45-degree angle. It also has 2 rare earth magnets in case you're working with something metal. It sticks on there and it holds. Now, Empire is out of Mugwanago, Wisconsin, and it is a great company. They make all kinds of measurement and layout tools. Now, this thing is $40, but it comes with a lifetime accuracy warranty. You can get these at home centers and online, again, for $40. And this is the Empire E2G 24-inch box beam level. Here is the Leatherman Wave Plus, and it is an everyday carry for anyone. Now, we all know Leatherman, it's a household name, and this Wave Plus is their most popular multi-tool. They created the category with this thing. Now, it's got everything you might need in a multi-tool, and it feels really great in your hands. You can tell it's made out of quality material, it's stainless steel, all the parts move good, and it's got regular and needle nose pliers, a replaceable wire cutter, a knife, a serrated knife, a saw, scissors, a file, a diamond-coated file, 2 size bit drivers, a medium screwdriver, a ruler, bottle opener, can opener, electrical crimper. It's also got a lanyard ring, and it's even got this handy little case so you can wear it on your belt. Now, these are $100 and you can find them at outdoor retailers and online. And remember, that is the Leatherman Wave Plus, made in the USA. Here we have the Grip Lock Tongue and Groove Pliers by Channel Lock. Now, they are a great set of pliers, good for anyone who just needs one set of pliers for your mechanical room, any home repair, and in your shop. Now, this set of pliers comes in a 9.5 inch and a 12.5 inch. They are adjustable like all tongue and groove pliers are, but the cool thing about these is the offset head design and the unique jaw. The offset head lets you get into places you might normally not be able to get into with normal pliers, and this unique shape of the jaw here allows you to really get a grip on round pipes and lets you really torque on nuts and bolts really well. Now, we all know Channel Lock is a household brand, the Channel Lock Blue Grips, and we know them as a high quality tool. They are manufactured in the United States and they are all high quality. This is no exception. It's got a rust-proof coating on the high-strength steel, and it'll last you a really long time. Now, you can get this set for $24 at home centers and online, and remember, that is the Channel Lock Tongue and Groove Pliers. So there you have it. 3 products that are made in the USA that we at Family Handyman are proud to feature and use each day. So that's it for this episode. Check us out again on Stuff We Love.